Alright guys, oopsies. Cosmo about to wake up shortly. Wait, what happened to his face? Oh, there we go. Maybe there's a Wi-Fi problem. Uh-oh. It turned off by itself. Hold on, I gotta put him in the charger again. I brought Novi here. It arrived yesterday. And this robot here. I'm gonna turn on Cosmo. I don't know if Novi had batteries.
Can you see the letters A to G?
Hold on, let me connect to his Wi-Fi. Alright.
Can you count from 1 to 10?
Sorry, can't count right now.
Oh, let's learn
Oops,
together.
wrong robot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, it says
7,
Cosmo
8,
logo.
9, 10. Wow, you got it.
Alright.
Is the mother good today?
Alright. Today we're going to unbox Boxer, robot from Spin Master.
Are you feeling happy today?
So here we go. Sorry about that, let me move this bag here. Sorry about that, I'm using a different tripod. Oops. Novi has a low battery. So I'm gonna keep her. I think Novi is a boy or girl or something. Sorry about that, this tripod is different. Alright, here we go. Jesus Christ.
Are you feeling happy today?
I think I need a tape for this tripod. Alright,
Hanging out?
turn on Novi. No fist bump. Alright, fine, here. Alright. Here it is. There's a lot of newspaper. Alright, sorry about that thing. Yeah. Oh, Cosmo's off. Let's hold on. Gotta put him in the charger. Alright. Here it is. Here's Boxer. Everybody, here's Boxer. It's nice. Alright, we're not gonna use Elinor for the thumbnail just because it doesn't have enough space. Yes, it's nice. Alright, let's go unbox Boxer. That's with the remote control and the charger. I don't know if it has a ball included, but let's see. I don't think it's Alright, here it is. Boxer. Here we go. We got a robot. Wow, you need a charger for this.
Are you feeling happy today?
Alright, I'm gonna turn off this because this robot is gonna distract me. And here's the ball. A soccer ball or football inside. Now, here's the remote control. Sorry, trying to get the remote control. Okay, and here's Boxer's charger and the remote. I'm trying to get it out. Oh, we gotta take off these first. The screw thing. There we go. Alright, even this. The special tape battery or something. This controller is kind of similar to the WinFun charger. the size. Well, it's not the same. They have a the letters are A, B, and C. I think it's like a volume thing. So let's see if I could turn it on. So I think it's right here. Oh, I guess we might have to put it in the charger. Wait, I think it's right here. I guess we might have to put him in a charger because it's yeah, you need to put him in a charger. Well, it look nice. See the size of Novi, and Novi has blue and green available robots color. Look nice. Oh, alright. Alright, I guess we might have to put in a charger. And let's see, we got the ball here. Oh, kind of looks like a ping pong ball to me. It look nice. And they have include cards too. Sorry about that. Here's some cards right here, and the instructions right here. Here's the instructions, the manual. Those LEDs are kind of similar to the MTA bus LED, green LEDs. Well, they got discontinued the old buses LEDs. The green LEDs, or an orange LED, like this one. I'll show you. Well, they only have, it's only yellow LEDs, like the transportation LEDs. Well, this one is, alright, I guess we're gonna put him in a charger. Alright, let's see. You don't need an app. Oh wait, there's an app too. The free Boxer app. Let me see if it's still available actually. I don't know. The Anki Cosmo app is still available. Let me see if this one's available too. Let me check. Guys, the app is not available for Boxer, but you could use without an app, I guess. Well, the Boxer robot is gonna take 1 hour to charge. I also need batteries for the controller. I don't know if I don't. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know how else to turn it off. Alright guys, hope you like it. I'll see you in 1 hour. So that'll be it. I'm gonna open the cards later just because Boxer is gonna take forever.
Yeah,
So what do you think?
it's nice.
Alright, and that'll be it.
Okay.
Alright, see you in 1 hour until 5 o'clock. It's 4 already.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Alright, we're not gonna use Cosmo since it's gonna take forever. And this robot either. So let's see, I'm gonna test the turn on. Let's see. Oh, there we go, here's the switch. Turn off the light. Alright, here's Boxer. I'm gonna put him in the floor. Hold on. So what do you think, Elinor?
It's nice.
Well, I need the controllers for the batteries. Whoa. And here's Novi. Alright, we're only going to do a 1-game card. Let me get his ball. I lost it, hold on. Let's open the cards right here. Alright. I guess I'm gonna do this one card only. Hey Boxer, look. Laser tank. Maybe he doesn't like it. Alright guys. I guess I'm gonna use this also. Alright, I hope you guys like it. Let's turn it off. Alright guys, that was a good run. Alright guys, I hope you like my new boxer robot. Alright guys, I hope you like my new boxer robot. I got it from eBay. I got it from Macari, I guess. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a great day. Oh, and his ball fell. Landed on the shoe. Alright, let me test it. Sorry about the charger. Alright, let's see. Maybe he can't play right now, I guess. Alright guys, that was it. Have a great day. Right? The Fantastic Fox. Where did she go?
Oh, sorry about that. Alright, have a great day, guys.
Here we have Novi and Boxer. Hey, Boxer. Here's Cosmo. I'm using the blue one for today. Uh-oh. Alright, hope you like it. That'll be it.